Alright, hi everybody, I'm Tshiamo, I'm 24 and I stand at 1.74 meters. Being a gemstone means you've been chosen amongst so many beautiful model aspirants as the best. It means you've got a shot to walk on the biggest ramp. It means you've got what it takes to be a supermodel. Yeah, so why do I want to go to New York? New York is like every model's dream. It's the ultimate fashion capital. Think of the world's top designers, endless fashion shows. It sounds exciting, so who doesn't want to do that? I want to wake up every day and do what I love doing most. So you guys can help me make my dream come true. You can go to debuttv.com and vote. Or go to gemvote.com and vote. That's Tshiamo Sekolo. Thank you.